Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Ved channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. Here we see very important bacterial disease, Brachy, popularly known as bread sort. In part 1, we will discuss synonym, etiology, epidemiology, pathogenesis, and clinical signs in SIP. For more videos on veterinary medicine and disease aspects in animal, please visit youtube.com oblique Dr. Ved channel. Brachy occur commonly in sheep. The synonym is bread sort caused by Clostridium septicum in sheep. This Clostridium septicum is also a common cause of malignant edema in other animals. So it also causes malignant edema in animals. Introduction or definition of Brachy's. It is a very acute infectious disease of sheep. It will not occur in adult. It occurs in weaner lambs and yearlings. The disease is characterized by specific symptoms. Inflammation of abomasal wall, very characteristic, produce abomasitis. Then fatal toxemia that leads to sudden death and very high mortality rate in weaner lambs and yearlings of sheep. Brachy is caused by bacteria Clostridium septicum. It occurs only in winter season. In winter season, when sheep eat a frosted feedstuff, any feed, frosted, or a root crops, or a frosted grass, that causes a great stress on the abomasal wall and causes abomasitis. Friends, here we discuss some of the important epidemiological factors for the clinician on Brachy. Clostridium septicum is present in soil-borne organism. It produces soil-borne disease. Route of entry is ingestion of the organism. The organism is found a normal inhabitant of ovine intestinal tract. The susceptible hosts are weaners and yearling sheep in winter season in cold countries, commonly occurring in young sheep which are unprotected with the vaccine. The disease reported in lambs of extreme cold countries where there is heavy frost and snow. It occurs only in midwinter when there is extreme cold. The adult animal in exotic area have acquired immunity, so no disease occurs. Case fatality rate is very high. It may reach 50%. It is estimated that in exotic area, the annual loss is 8%, very high. Pathogenesis of Brachy. Route of entry of Clostridium septicum is through ingestion, and it must be associated with ingestion of frozen feedstuff. Otherwise, organisms are present in the soil and in the intestinal tract but do not produce disease. So, frozen feedstuff is a stress factor on the abomasum. This frozen feed causes great damage and internal lining of the abomasum and the disease starts. Frozen feedstuff is a main stress factor in the lamb. This causes stress on the abomasal wall. Some part get necrosed, allowing the Clostridium septicum to enter into the wall of the abomasum. Now there is entry of Clostridium septicum in the wall of abomasum, and this is spread very fast. There is a primary extensive abomasitis in a few hours, and this causes a fatal toxemia and sudden death of the lambs. Clinical findings of Brachy in lambs. In a very per acute case, there is rapid death of lambs without showing any premonitory signs. It is observed that at night the lambs were normal, healthy, and in the morning they found dead. Sudden onset of illness, segregation from the group, complete anorexia. These symptoms are found in those lambs which are survived, and many more symptoms are there. Great depression in lamb, very high fever, 42 degrees centigrade or 107 degrees Fahrenheit or even more. Abdomen is distended with the gas. Clinician can diagnose it. That is because of all of a sudden fermentation into the abomasum. Signs of abdominal pain. The animal find uneasiness, kicking at the belly, rolling on the ground frequently. See at the abdomen. These are the common signs of the abdominal pain. Toxemia produce effect on all systems and organs of the body, especially nervous system. So there is recumbency. First there is sternal recumbency, rapidly follows to lateral recumbency. Lambs goes to coma condition and sudden death, very fast death within few hours of the onset of clinical signs. Friends who are watching more disease on animals in veterinary medicine, requested to visit youtube.com/Dr. channel, requested to share this information to veterinarians and veterinary students, press like button to promote the channel, subscribe the channel. I have got already overwhelming response from my viewers. Thanks for subscription and thanks for watching this video.